Alright, so today we're going to take a look at this Japanese gardening tool called a Nisaku. It's basically a large wooden hoe with an angled sharpened cutting edge on the end of it. And this one is made of stainless steel, so it hopefully shouldn't rust. I like the reviews on this NJP 1010 from Snowjoe, and I'm hoping to use it to battle this collection of weeds I have growing here around my kids' playset without using chemicals like Roundup. So I plan on using this Nisaku to scrape the weeds out. Some taller people in the reviews said the handle was too short, and I'm 6'4" and it comes up to the top of my hip, so we'll see. And now to see how easily it attacks these weeds here. Alright, so here we are taking a look at the after effects. The cutting head did a good job of taking out the roots of these weeds, so this should all die out in a couple days. And taking a look at the Nisaku's blade after all this hard work, it still looks very sharp to me. So yeah, I don't regret purchasing this at all. It works better than a rake, and I don't need to spray chemicals anymore. So check my video description if you want to learn more, and thanks for watching.